Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. Today, we're going to dive into something a bit more aesthetic, installing the Nothing Boot animation on your rooted Android phone. This sleek and minimalist animation is a great way to add a touch of personality to your device. Make sure your Android device is already rooted. If not, you'll need to follow the appropriate rooting procedure for your specific device. Download the module file. I have shared the download in the video description. Launch the Magisk app on your device. Tap on the Modules section within the Magisk app. Click the plus button in Kernel SU and install from the Storage button in Magisk to add a new module. Browse to the location where you saved the downloaded module file and select it. Tap on the Install button to begin the installation process. Once the installation is complete, you'll be prompted to reboot your device. This is essential for the module to take effect. After your device restarts, you should see the Nothing Boot animation when you turn it on. If everything went smoothly, you've successfully customized your device's boot experience. If you encounter any issues during the installation process, double-check that you have the latest version of Magisk installed. If you're not comfortable with the rooting process or installing modules, you might consider exploring alternative methods to customize your boot animation, such as using a custom ROM or kernel. And that's it, you've successfully installed the Nothing Boot animation on your rooted Android phone. With this simple guide, you've added a touch of elegance and uniqueness to your device's startup experience. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to leave a comment below or reach out to me on social media. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech tutorials and tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.